Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. There's just a little correction I want to add in to grade 3 section F exercise 1. It can be found at the bottom of page 17. So if you can just turn with me. This bottom exercise, I addressed this as a melodic minor rather than a harmonic minor. I do apologise. I got carried away and continue with melodic minor. And so we just need to erase these. And so if you can just make sure your copy is correct. So E minor in both forms is related to G major, so we still need F sharps, but then E harmonic minor would have the raised seventh, so we need a D sharp as an accidental. And then of course the semitones will be affected, so it's 8 to 7, 6 to 5, 3 to 2. And so that makes it harmonic minor. So I do apologise about that. Just the pressure of working under the camera live, and I just missed that there. So if you can correct that, thanks for just bearing with me there. If you want to have a look at my website, there are loads of resources available at sharonbill.com. You can find the free PDF information sheets available in US lettering A4 that accompany each step of this series. There's also a page with links to all of my video tutorials where I take you step by step through each of the ABRSM theory grades. You can also find some information about the books that I have available there too. So if you visit sharonbill.com, it's all there for you. If you can give me a like, that'd be fab, and subscribe to my channel to keep updated. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.